What's going on, guys? Steve with Adventure Off-Road X, and I am with my family a little bit. We're over here at Jeeptoberfest out here in Williston. It's at Kirby Farms. What a great place. They got everything from mud pits to obstacle course. They got easy to extreme. They got a lot of stuff going on out here. But we're all set up here at the iCandy tent. We've got a lovely wife here, Allison. Say hi.
Hello.
And then my daughter, Malin, which you've seen probably in some previous ones. But we're having a great time. This is it's a 2-day event. We get here Friday, and then we set up and Saturday and Sunday. So pretty fun. A lot of people out here and a lot of Jeeps. But show you what we got going on, guys. So this badass rig right here is owned by Aaron with Barton Offroad. It's all sponsored by iCandy Designz, and this thing is set up and ready to roll, man. This thing's actually pretty cool. I'm hoping to get out with them here pretty soon. But then this is the iCandy tent. Guys, if you haven't checked them out, they do all kinds of vehicle wraps, graphics, designs, you name it, they can do it. They're a one-stop shop. Then we got my rig over here, of course the Warhawk, got it all set up. Everybody was kind of like, still, I guess it's just a new thing down here. It hasn't really made its way completely down here with the whole overlanding, and people are always, you sleep on that? You sleep up there? So it was pretty cool to show it off and show some people that are kind of interested in going out camping and getting into the whole overlanding site. And then this is Jason's rig over here. Rocking that Anti-Rock and those Fox shocks and those new rigid lights. Yeah, man, this thing's looking really good, and he's trying to get a topper. So we'll see what he does here. But it's set up pretty nicely. We got the awning in the back. Works really nice. But then we venture on over here, and man, there was all kinds of cool vendors out here. This place over here, you'll see it in another video, but they do some really cool stuff. So they paint all of your interior panels, or I'm sorry, all your external panels and internal panels. So you have to check those guys out. Right there in the left-hand corner is Happy Trail 4x4. Man, those are some great guys. I actually got my bead locks that are on the Warhawk right now from those guys. They had a customer that was taking some wheels and tires off, and I got my KMCs from them, so I went up there and picked them up. Then we got Full Wheel Parts here. They always come out big and strong with a bunch of their stuff. The manager that was out here was really cool. We got to talk a little bit, and I actually got him some sales from a buddy of mine. He just got a Jeep, and you need to get some stuff, so kind of hooked him up, and they hooked him up. They got him some really good prices. And of course, my guys right here, you know who these guys are. Check them out. What's going on, guys? So you know, all these shows I have to stop into my guys over here at Designz Tools. Guys, they got some great products. You know, I did that video of the multi-tool. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. I'll leave a link in the below. And guys, you got to get out here to these shows, or even check them out online, DesignzTools.com. They got some really cool products, and they got some new stuff too. They got these bags that kind of basically roll up. You can put some tools in there, and little pack. It's pretty nice. I think I'm gonna grab one of those. My wife and my boy got me a
present for my birthday, because my birthday's tomorrow. They got me the coffee grinder, the French press, and a molly bag to put it all in. So I'm pretty excited about that, because you know, yeah, I gotta have my coffee in the morning. So, but guys, if you get a chance, definitely check them out. These two right here, the two you're gonna have to talk to right there, right here. So check them out. I'm gonna put a link in below. But if you're out at one of these shows, they do a lot of the overland outdoor shows. They do a lot of just adventure and expos. So it doesn't have to be Jeep specific, but just check them out. Let's go see what else we got.
So we had Quake LED representing out here. I think they're at just about every show I go to. Really cool guys, like to talk to them. And JL Audio, man, let me tell you, if you're into speakers and into sound systems, they got a really cool setup. This Gladiator was pretty outrageous. It had speakers in the bed, and all the amps and everything were in the slide outs. I mean, it was a clean setup and a nice crisp sound. I mean, every time they turned it up, I mean, it just sounded good. So I'm not a big audio guy, but I'll tell you, if I was, I'd definitely be hitting these guys up, because they have something figured out. Maybe not quite this much, but for me, but I'll tell you, it was pretty cool. And then these guys right here, you guys got to look them up on YouTube. They get out to a lot of different shows, country traditions, and there's some really cool guys to talk to and to get to know. If you get a chance, look them up. I'll put a link in below.
I don't think we have Trish yet. She's busy still, I think. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. We could check on her though. Yeah, the kids do the extra. We're gonna do the winch. Smitty, 9,500. They might just. Oh, you got one? Okay, you're good. There you go. Come on now, let me hear you, let me hear you, let me hear you. Hey, just stay over here in front of the tent area, please. Do not block that roadway, do not block the roadway. Get over here in front of the tent. If you're not over here in front of me, you might not get it. Make sure you guys are over here. Free stuff getting thrown out at you. They caught it in the face. That's a good catch. Oh, one went over. Well, somebody over there will get something free. You got lucky on that one, didn't you?